Hey everyone, so I had just received my Maniology Mani box. This is a monthly subscription that I pay for, and I was getting ready to open it and I thought, let's make a video opening up. It might be fun. So anyways, let's go ahead and do that. And today is February 11th, and I always get mine by I think the middle of the month. I don't really get it on the first of the month. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. So they always have these little cards. So Maniology, Mani X Me. Oh, and then also it says, what will you create? Hashtag Mani X Me box. Okay, so this is the little card. Step into the Roaring 20s with February's Art Deco Mani X Me collection. Each item was carefully designed to bring the bold geometric beauty of the Art Deco era straight to your nails. So then it just says a few more things down here. So anyways, so you always get, if you go with the bigger box, you always get 2 stamping polishes, I think 2 plates, and then it comes with a surprise gift. Okay, let's turn this around. Okay, and then it also comes with an inspo card. So that's their inspo card. And then on the back, okie dokie. So let's get rid of the box. Okay, so there. Okay, here's my sticker. Let creativity bloom. Cute little sticker. You get 2 plates. They look cute. And then we have our stamping polish. Okay. I always like to make sure my stickers are stuck on there. Okay, so ooh, that's kind of a pretty silver. It's almost giving me, I don't know, for some reason it's looking pink. I don't know if it's reflecting off of something in here or what, but it's looking pink. It's almost looking like a pinky silver. It is. It's like a pinky silver. This is pretty. Ooh, I like this. Literally, oh yeah, it's a pinky silver. Okay, so that's a pinky silver. It's really pretty. Maybe pinky or a little purpley, maybe both. And then this is a beautiful color, this jazzberry. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so pretty. This is like my color. I love this color. This is absolutely gorgeous. That is pretty. Okay, love that. Okay, let's look at the stamping plate. This is NP MXM 145. Okay, so we have some cool Art Deco designs. I'm not really an Art Deco type of a person, but they're pretty cool designs. So I like that. And you can also choose if you want to, you get a little sneak peek, they'll send you an email to give you a sneak peek. And if you decide you don't like that month, you can skip it. So I think I always pay for a full year. I like this. This is cute. So some little French designs over there. That's cool. I like those. I like this one. I like this plate. Go. And this plate is MXM 146 is what this is. And they always come in little holders like this. And I love Maniology. I've been purchasing Maniology, oh my gosh, for quite some time. All the way back when they were Bundle Monster, I was purchasing them. So I do have quite a few of their stamping plates. It's just that I got into the stamping plates and everything, but then I just didn't get into the stamping. So anyways, okay, so let me try to figure out what I want to do. And we'll come back and we'll play around with them. Okay, so I went ahead and I just painted my nails black and pink, and I'm going to go in with this plate. I might incorporate this plate, but for sure we're going to be using this one. So we're going to be using that. I'm thinking I'm going to, because I kind of like it this way, so I'm thinking I'll do something like that, for French, possibly. We'll have to see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. here's what they ended up looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed messing around and playing with these plates. A lot of the designs are super cute. I think the nails turned out cute. This is my favorite design so far. I am an ambassador for Maniology, so I will go ahead and leave my discount code in the description box. Let me know what you guys think about the February Mani X Me box, about the plates, your thoughts on the colors and on the design. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.